Kihumo kia witikiriku.
Nigado shema nyamu do wa kiheotv kunyitana idhembe arahoya umuthi mihoko wakwa merahoya kwiditana bena ukwagirira na itukite kyathimo nidage katu kumenyithie maria marathina mbere na kuhanika kumbariria riwa rikirathire ni gitago Maureen Wanjiru mutwathi na njira shiko etago nyanari egwitwo Vivian Wangishi na gitio kinene reketurike mohoroni maitu kuria uria wari mubunge wa Dagoretti ya muhuro Dennis Waweru ni akumithite njuragano irira korirwo ikionekana hindi ya mirurungano ya gutetia kwambatira gwa thogora wa maguta augite a Kenya mari na rutha rwa kururungana kuona ni metikiritio gigatiba-ini ya bururi oho ni nginya kiugite ni mugaru na watho maabitha a borithi kuhuthira hinya mukiriku kuri arurungani Njoki wa Maina na ndeto makiria.
Kumana na gukorwo kuo kwa ikuo cia a Kenya matari na mahitia hindi ya mururungano uria wiriga kuhanika kiumia giki riu mubunge wa hau kabere wa Dagoretti ya muhuro Dennis Waweru ni eyumiritie na kwaria na andiki a mohoro na kuria akumithitie giko kiu akiuga a Kenya mari na kihoto gia gigatiba gia gutabania mirurungano ya gutariria uria maraigua na njira ya thayu.
We have seen a loss of innocent lives like we saw the day before yesterday with Njuguna from Dagoretti South. We have been avoiding talking about these things, but it's gotten to a level where we need to come out and say we cannot accept this to continue in Dagoretti South. They have lost lives. This is not the first time.
Mubunge ucio no akumithitie maabitha a borithi ni undu wa kuhuthira hinya mukiruku kuri arurungani akiuga maabitha a borithi mabatie gukuruhania arurungani na njira ya kumathikiriria na kumenya wagagu wao handu ha kumahamurithia.
You do not need to kill to be able to resolve such issues. You can engage, you can address the issues that they are bringing forward. You do not need to use live bullet and kill such young innocent boys and girls. It's unacceptable. We are not going to accept.
Waweru oho no aikitie ritana kuri thirikari akiendekithia kuoyo kwa makinya ma naihenya megemainie na ikuo icio na kuria acokete akauga ati he bata a Kenya mari othe gukorwo mari na wihokeku wa ugitiri uria uri kuo bururi-ini.
We want to ask the government, we want to see action, we want to see those people who have done this to be apprehended with immediate effect. We know it was from one of the police stations. We are asking the government to take charge and to ensure that these people are apprehended because they are very, very well known who used the live bullets on this young man. If they do not take action, as the people of Dagoretti South, we are going to sue. We are going to make sure we engage these people and we are going to defend ourselves within the law.
Githie na mbere na gukumathira maria marathi na mbere na gukunuka guku bururi-ini njitagwo Njoki wa Maina.
Nigatho mundu gitwo Njoki wa Maina ni ripoti yo uria wari vice chancellor wa University wa Chuka niwe Erastus Nyaga Njoka ni kitiritana kuri atongoria a tharakanithi gukorwo ni mararumia thayu niguo kugia na uhoreru bururi-ini oho ni orite genzi kuri raihoto ciao na njira yagirire akimeneria andu aria mahuthagira a yuthi gutabania maundu maria matagiririe na maria matetĩkĩrĩtio gigatiba.
Ningetaka kuambia watu wetu wa Tharaka Nithi, tunahitaji kuwa na amani. Kila mtu anahitaji ahubiri amani. Viongozi wetu wahubiri amani. Nimesema kuna viongozi wa aina nyingi sana. Kuna kiongozi wa business au wa biashara, kuna kiongozi wa elimu, kuna kiongozi wa mambo ya dini, kuna viongozi wa siasa. Wote ni viongozi. Tunahitaji tuwe tukihubiri amani mahali popote ambapo tuko. Na kwa sababu sisi ni watu wazima ambao ni viongozi, tufundishe watoto wetu kuwa watu wa amani, kupigania mambo yale mazuri kwa njia ile muhimu. Tunahitaji tufikiri vile tutawasaidia kwa kuwatengenezea mambo mengi yale yatakayowasaidia. Tungetaka vijana, wasichana, wachanga wanaitwa Gen Z wawe wanatumiwa vizuri na viongozi. Wasitumiwe kwa njia mbaya ya kupelekwa kwa streets kupigana. Tungetaka wawe watu ambao wanafundishwa kuwa amani, waonyeshwe vile watu wanagoma kwa nchi zingine. Wakati mmoja nilikuwa Israel na niliona watu wakidemonstrate kwa parliament. Walikuwa wameinua makaratasi ambayo yameandikwa mambo yale yanataka wafanyiwe, lakini si kuona wakitupa mawe, kwa sababu demonstration ya kuonyesha viongozi kitu ni kibaya. Kwa hivyo njenzi wetu wanajaribu, hebu wasaidiwe watoka kwa ubokara, kwa sababu wengi wamesoma na hawana mahali pa kwenda. Kila wakati, kila kiongozi akilala ni lazima afikirie atasaidia hawa watoto wetu na njia gani.
Na gikuihurira ripoti ingi mutongoria wa yuthi kaunti ya Siaya Nick Ongoro ni orotete bunge ya kaunti ino akiuga MCAs mafatie akuharagania mibango iyo mari nayo na gitama kiria marashorera governor wa James Orengo gya kumuhagura awite MCAs aya ni numi huhi na matiri ona ngatho akimoria mareke governor wao arikite na riake na thayo.
Fellow residents of Siaya County, ladies and gentlemen, I address you today with a deep concern over the current political events unfolding in Siaya County, especially the threats by the County Assembly to impeach the governor. First and foremost, accountability in leadership is important and must never be ignored. Every public office holder must remain answerable to the people and to the Constitution of the Republic of Kenya. However, accountability must be genuine, consistent, and free from political hypocrisy. The people of Siaya are watching closely, and they deserve honesty from all leaders and institutions entrusted with power. For a long time, the County Assembly of Siaya failed to fully exercise its constitutional mandate of oversight, representation, and legislation. Instead of standing firmly with the people of Siaya during difficult moments, the members were silent, prioritizing political convenience and loyalty to the executive at the expense of the people they were elected to serve. The members and the leadership of the Siaya County Assembly must stop sycophancy and flattery of small gods at the expense of our people. You have been praising and worshipping the executive. Your romantic love relationship with the executive at the expense of your constitutional roles has costed the people of this county development and proper.
Na tugithina mbere muingi wa itura ria Lugulu ino ni wodi ya Misiku gicigo-ini kia obunge kia Webuye ya Ithiro kaunti ya Bungoma ni makurirwo maitho ni ugwati wa kunyitwo ni mirimu iria yumanaga na mai ma giko makiuga mai maya marauma thukuru wa airitu wa Lugulu na kuingira micini yao mateta mao na igeria ria kugeria kuona uteithio riringite ihiga kuona thukuru uyu ndumahete gutu.
Tumeathirika kwa njia mbalimbali. Njia ya kwanza yenye tumeathirika ni shule yenye tuko karibu nayo, majirani wetu, inaitwa Lugulu High School, Girls High School. Inaachiliwa sewer line. Inakuja paka kwa njia, inaharibu njia vile mmeona. Imekuja, imeaffect kama mimi investor, nimejenga manyumba B&B za watu kulala na watu kuishi, watu waishi kwa sababu ya harufu na mosquito na panya. Na tena vile njia imeathirika, watu wanapita hapa, wanyama wanapita, kuku zinapita, zinaathirika kwa sababu zinatumia hiyo maji chafu. Na tuko na household karibu 50 zote zinaumia kwa sababu kwa mchana usiku hakuna mtu mwenye anaweza kaa kwa nyumba kwa sababu ya harufu mbaya.
Sisi tumeomba serikali tusaidie kupunguza ama watengeneza hii septic tank yao hiyo ikae vizuri kwa sababu iko open kabisa. Wanachimba ikitoka chini wakirudisha upande ya juu. Lakini hatujafurahi sana. Umbu pia zinatoka hapo. Kuna vitu mingi zinatoka hapo. Sasa ukiangalia wakazi wa area hii wamejaribu kulalamika lakini hakuna hatua wamechukua.
I stay right behind Lugulu Girls High School. We as the neighbors have been affected especially by the waste sewage that has contaminated our farms and our water. Personally, I have a borehole which I dug some years ago, and soon after, when they started using their sewage, water seeps in, and the water was declared unfit for animal or human consumption. Two, there is always a very foul smell kutoka kwa sewage area, especially when it rains or early in the morning and late in the evening.
Na tukehoka mwingi wa mweno shonu gutangikirwo kuona shonu gwati munene na gukinya hau twakinya thitikiria tuko tugikiria oro hanini ndugathi haraya amuri turacokereria.
Ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Ũngĩkorwo na woni wĩgiĩ tabarĩra citũ ndũkamaĩrĩrie gũtũmenyithia kũgerera ndũmĩrĩri nguhĩ kana WhatsApp. Namba itũ nĩ 0795 789804 0795 789804 kana email itũ nĩyo info@kiheotv.co.ke.
Ukitaka mali safi kuja Kemuma, CCTV utapata Kemuma, mulika mwizi electric fence utapata Kemuma, automatic gate utapata Kemuma, fire system, alarm system, fingerprint hapa, automatic gate, mali safi, kila kitu ya security ni Kemuma. Tumetambulika Kenya nzima Kemuma. Twende nalo Kemuma, njoo na mi twende Kemuma. Vitu ni fresh, mali yote fresh, hapana deal na mtumba, kila kitu ni fresh. Ukitaka mali safi njoo na mi twende Kemuma engineering system. Wa security tuko fiti, hatuna competition, wanajua tuko fiti.
Engineering Systems. We mind your security.
Mwangaza wa Neno FM. Shesheni ya redio ire kurehagira umemerekia muthuranire. O muthenya wa mwambĩrĩrio kinyagia gatano, tabarĩra ciĩhotanĩire kwambĩrĩria rũcinĩ kinya hwaĩ-inĩ. Thaa 11 kinyagia thaa 4 cia rũcinĩ, nyitanagĩra na Esther wa Mathenge the Kingdom Lady thĩinĩ wa gĩthima rũcinĩ. Thaa 8 nginya thaa 10 ũkanyitanĩra na Celestine Waka the Favored One thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya Shangwe. Igĩkinyĩria thaa 10 ũkaingĩra kĩberereki thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya ngwatanĩro na Kamau wa Waithĩra KW. Mũgaterevana kinyagia thaa 2 cia ũtukũ. Nakuo kwambĩrĩria thaa 2 kinyagia thaa 5 cia ũtukũ ukanyitanira na Susan Wangoro the Women Rep thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya ikũmbĩ rĩa kĩgoco. Guru wa Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving tũĩkaine nĩ kũruta matereva a gĩkĩro kĩa igũrũ marĩ na ũigĩrĩrĩki mũnene barabara-inĩ. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving turutanaga utereva wa ikiro ciothe. Class A ni utereva wa fikifiki na tuk-tuk, Class B utereva wa gari nini, Class C utereva wa marori na Class D ni utereva wa gari cia ukui wa muigi. Urutani witu wa utereva ni wa kurumanirira na mutaratara mweru wa NTSA na warikia kothi tugaguteithĩrĩria kwĩgira na Smart Driving License. Ni undu wa uhoro makiria ndukamaĩrĩrie gutucerera wabici citũ Esambu nyũmba-inĩ ya Jewel Complex gorova ya gatano barabara-inĩ nene ya Thika Super Highway kũrigania na TRM, kana ũtũhũrĩre thimũ kũgerera 0703 164003 0703 164003. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving, drive with confidence.
Wagacuke nĩ tũrathane na wandada ndigũthĩnjĩra. Nĩ ndukũ inya cia tabarĩra yaku ĩrĩa wendete ya gwĩceka tũciongereire mwago nĩguo we na kũmboeka mũikare mũraihanĩrĩirie. Hashtag inya cia gũkwagĩrithĩria mĩthenya yaku. Monday nĩ hashtag muthenya wa kerĩ nĩ gũtaũkwo na kũmenya ciĩgiĩ mũcani ũcio ũgũcanjamũraga thĩinĩ wa
hashtag tumenye msanii sana languages. Tukienda sasa hizi zingine za mathematics, sciences.
Naguo muthenya wa Wednesday ni hashtag
kĩũndũ kĩa mwanya atĩa
twagũtarĩria maũndũ ũtoĩ ũtarĩ waigua na marĩa ũĩ ũtoĩ gĩtũmi kĩamo.
Nĩ ũĩ rũĩ rũrĩa rũteng'eraga mũno thĩinĩ wa Afrika, nĩ ũĩ rũĩ rũrĩa rũteng'eraga thĩinĩ wa thĩ yothe.
Ramithi nĩ matene.
Hashtag matene yani
matu maũndũ marĩa mahanĩkaga tene na marathiĩ mariganĩire tũgĩkũririkania nĩguo ndũkariganĩrwo nĩmo.
Ndĩkagũiga bita nĩkĩ waria nĩtũitwa nyoni tataika nyone
nĩ gwĩceka tabarĩra ĩrĩa ĩgũkinyagĩra o mũthenya kwambĩrĩria thaa 9 cia hwaĩ-inĩ thĩinĩ wa Kiheo TV ũgĩterevwo nĩ waku ũtagũtiga kada iheo kĩhĩri MC Kĩhehenji wa Gĩtawa.
Ewe niwe ndirera we kawira kau gaku o investire miaka iyo yothe ri umuthi uyu ngoma angiariria turi anime moke magukua indo ciaku ungika atia kana ungiambirie kumacaria na miguu ta njege tatengera kuria gwa Kimuma engineering system umere makuonia CCTV cia kamera ciraiganirira muhuko waku. Oho ni makoragwo na electric fence materials razor wire cia green na cia silver. Ni makoragwo na access control system eira cia kuhinya fingerprint ugitonya, intruder alarm system, na no makoragwo na indo ciothe cia mwaki nginya fire extinguishers. Oho no makoragwo na solar panels na ni makoragwo nginya na ihingo automatic kuhinya ka remote oguo wira ni muingi tawa gutinda kungangana na ngeti. Ni mahetwo ngerenwa nyingi muno. Nduka ciao cikuria Nairobi CBD macamaniro-ini ma Kamae na Gaborone Road. Showroom yao hau Nyandarua House ground floor. Nduka wengi yao area kou Nyandarua House second floor room 204. Nduka wengi haria Gaborone Plaza ground floor number G1. Na kwa kuria Kasarani ni haria Max Plaza kungetharira na Kasarani police station.
Ona kana no macarie na thimo 0793494949 kana 0793949494 kana 0793595959.
Gitira wira waku na CCTV cameras kuma Kimuma engineering system. Twaririe
ino ni ceceni ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Tukaigua tutikite ona makiria niwe guthii na mbere na gutucagura twacokereria oro ringi. Aruti wira amwe a University ya Machakos ni matetete makiuga mafuto wira ona hatari kwandikirwo marua o tiga SMS mamukirire kugerera WhatsApp. Kurigana na omaugite ona atumia aria mohete nda mafuto mari o wira-ini. Na kurigana na Faith Davi akiugite atumia aria marutaga wira guku ni manyamaragio kimwiri na mateta mao ni makinyite wobici-ini ya riba ya county no kuragitwika andu aria marutite wira guku kwa ihinda ria miaka 5 mabatie gukorwo magitiga wira nigetha kwandikwa ngi eru.
Tumekuwa tukifanya pale university miaka kadhaa, na kwa hiyo miaka tumekuwa tukingangana sana. Mwezi uliopita wa 4 tarehe 5 tulipata message kutoka kwa our immediate supervisor tukiambiwa ya kwamba tunafaa kusimama kazi till further notice, if any changes zitamekiwa. Na this tukiangalia according to labor law, it was very unprocedurable, so we ended up kwenda kwa labor office to address kuhusu hii issue. They have been summoned with all documents needed to know about the issue. Now the institution has not yet responded to us.
My name is Bernard Mutisia Mbuvi. I'm County Labor Officer Machakos. Yeah, this issue of Machakos University was brought to our attention in this office around early January this year, whereby some workers came and reported to us. They have worked as casuals for a long period of time, a period ranging between the longest working workers were 5 years. And my investigation came to realize all the casuals spread in different departments: hotel section, catering, agriculture, science, and ICT extra, were around 61 casuals, referred to as casuals, although by law they are not casuals. Because the law is very clear, the Employment Act, is very clear. Section 37 of the Employment Act, Cap 226, is very clear. It says that where an employee has worked for a period of 1 year, 1 month, and the work that person is doing cannot be completed within 3 months, the law confers that employee to permanent automatically.
Nayo kabuni ya utabia kana kabuni ya utabia wa maguta Kenya Pipeline ni thundurite mubango ungimweru wa kuruga makiria kuri muigi uria wikaraga hakuhi na mutitu mwena wa Tudor County ni ya Mombasa ithenya-ini ria kugacirithia maria maturigiceirie family 90 mwena wa Jomvu ni mahetwo mitungi ya gasi kuria kabuni ino ya KPC yugite ni undu uguteithiriria mititu ndigagithukio kuna namba nene ya andu a mwena ucio mahuthagira gukuruga.
My name is Rachel Gadhoni. I'm the KPC Foundation Manager. Today we are here in Jomvuku, where we are in our energy transition program, where we are working with the community forest associations whom we have been planting mangroves with for a long time. And it's after the realization that almost all of them are still using charcoal or firewood for cooking. And so we realized one of the interventions as we do our environmental program will be to have a transition program where all the communities that we work together with in conservation also become the champions of and the advocates of no longer cutting trees and being able to transition to clean energies. And we know that the use of LPG is not only for energy purposes, it's not only for the environment, it's also a health product. As you know, a lot of small children have a lot of problems with respiratory issues. There are a lot of deaths related to the poor air quality. Also for older populations, when you're exposed to too much smoke, it is not good for your health. So we are really here championing it not only as an environmental product, as a conservation product, but also as a health product. And we also know in terms of the women, it saves a lot of time. If you have to use charcoal or you have to use firewood, it takes a long time to prepare meals, and therefore having LPG also frees up the women so that they can participate in other activities. So it's a product that we know will go far for their health, for their economic well-being, and also for the environmental concerns that we are working together with the community to resolve. So far we have been working with the community for over 5 years, and so far we have planted over 1 million mangroves, and luckily the survival rate has been very high because of the community participation and also adopting sections, and just the proper engagement of the community where they are the actual champions of everything that we're doing, even watching who are walking into the forest to destroy. So it has been a journey of over 5 years, and so far we have 1 million mangroves planted, but now we are transitioning our program to be a more energy transition program where as we plant trees we also make sure communities no longer cut.
Negatho cio mwanya hau twakinya niho tugukorwo tugikirira gaturumo tutinanike ukuihurira mohoro no marathie na mbere na gugithondekwo makiriri kona cihanda thaa 1 na thaa 3 no ukorwo ukimamukira njitagwo Maureen Wanjiru mutwathiri na njira ciiko aumanyari gwitwo Vivian Wangeci ngatho kuriwe gutihokera mahinda maku na mathaa maku ani ngatho kurera matigirira mohoro maya maukinya na njira igwete ndukigena meraho ihwiro ni ndathimi cia Ngai.